Okay, we're going to test the bomb drop. First, show you we have an adapter plate in here that goes through the floor, and over in the corner we have a connector. So, all right, let's load up the cylinder, and that's over here. So the way this works, first set one, here, here, set two, set that, put the solenoid, put in the pin, put in the first load, second load, set, open, set, pull this pin, put in the next load. Third. So those are all set. Now we'll put them in the vehicle. So this has got notches on it that interface with the pins down here. So let's put this in. Okay. So this just engages and then twists on. And that connector goes in there. Okay. This goes here. Okay, so everything's set there. Next, turn the power on the airplane. So we have this switch here. It's set for flip-flop, B1, B2, and B3. So we'll set it for B1, this switch here on the joystick. So once we're on B1, I'll press the button. Load one gone. Go to B2. Get ready to press the switch. Bomb 2. 3, get ready, and 3. All the loads are gone.